Hey everybody, it's Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I am doing day 6 of my Bougie Wine Advent Calendar. And it just happens to be right here. Let's open it up. Have you ever seen The Sword and the Stone? I'm gonna be king! Oh, it's a Sauvignon Blanc. Hopefully this one doesn't suck like the last one. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 2019 Bougie Sauvignon Blanc from California. It is 13.5% alcohol by volume, and this is part of a wine advent calendar I got from H-E-B. It is $70, and it has about 6 bottles of wine, which comes out to about $11.66, $11.50, somewhere around there, for a full-size bottle, a normal bottle of wine. So let's take a look at the Sauv Blanc. So far, I've had a few okays, I've had a few bads, and I've had one good, and that was the Pinot Grigio. I'm hoping that this one falls into the good category as well because it's Sauvignon Blanc. I'm sure my wife would love to steal this from me when I'm done reviewing it. From a color standpoint, you are a pale lemon, no artifacts, no cloudiness. So on that note, this is the second out of 6 wines that I've reviewed where the color is kind of what I expected it to be. So that has a good start on it. In terms of the nose, you smell like Sauvignon Blanc. It's just not very intense. It's probably about medium minus intensity on the nose, but you do have this kind of like grapefruit, like a little bit of like a lime. There's a little bit of that cat pea note. There's a slight hint of like this greenness, almost like an asparagus or some like salad green type note. There's kind of like that whole kind of chlorophyllic aspect of it, and a little bit of a sulfur note. Yeah, I mean, you smell like Sauvignon Blanc. The thing I will say though that it is a real interesting mix because you kind of get a little bit of that tropical and that citrus, and then you get a strong green apple note. So you can definitely tell that this is not like a New Zealand. You can also tell that it's not necessarily like a French one unless it was like kind of a warm harvest that year. This definitely falls kind of within that California Sauv Blanc territory. But let's taste it and see how it goes. Okay, so this tastes like a real California Sauvignon Blanc. Fruit, medium plus intensity on the fruit, medium plus acid, medium body, medium alcohol. I actually can taste the alcohol a little bit in this wine, which is funny because there was one that was like 14.5, I couldn't taste it at all. This one is 13.5. I can taste it, but it's pretty well integrated. Length, medium finish. Yeah, I mean, this tastes like a California Sauvignon Blanc, and that actually makes me quite happy. So happy that I think I'm going to go ahead and get to the blick and give it a rating. Balance, you're in balance, full point. Length, medium finish, half a point. Intensity, medium plus on the palate, medium on the nose, going to give you half a point. And from complexity, I am getting a breath of green fruit. I'm getting some stone fruit, a little bit of peach in there. I'm getting citrus, and I'm getting a tiny hint of a tropical note, as well as some green. So it's enough primary elements where I'm going to go ahead and give you a half point on this scale. I'd prefer to have some secondary on my California Sauv Blancs, but nothing too much. You have so much fruit here, I'm not too worried about it. So, like I said, half a point. In the end, that's 2 points are good. You're up there with the Pinot Grigio. So I do like the fact that I found a Pinot Grigio, I found a Sauv Blanc. Only thing I don't like is that there's one of these and another one of those, and I'm pretty sure that whatever remaining milliliters are left of the Sauv Blanc is probably going to go to my wife in this calendar. Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you had the 2019 Bougie Sauv Blanc from their Wine Advent Calendar? Be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you all again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime.